Hello and welcome to another exciting video. In this one, we'll be learning how we can create a new React app with Vite and TypeScript. So here, the sample application that we downloaded or cloned using Digit, if you see, it's created in TypeScript. And it also has this Vite configuration. And if you see over here, the configuration file has the extension .ts as in TypeScript. And the src files over here also has this tsx or ts extension. Now in order to create a TypeScript file, in order to create a React TypeScript project, what we need to do is we need to write this command, that's npx, and then create Vite. Then the name of your application, like in this case I'm saying my React app. Then you specify the template. Now the template is React-TS as in React with TypeScript. So now if I press enter over here, this is going to create a Vite application. And here you can see it has created a Vite application. Here it has the same config.ts file. And if you open up the src, here you have the main.tsx file, the css file, the assets that we need. And now if I go and type this cd my React app and then run npm install, and after that I'll be executing npm run dev to execute this in dev environment. We'll be able to see the project in action. Now let's go ahead and type npm run dev, and this is going to execute the Vite, and here we have the local URL, and here you will notice the title. It says Vite, React, and TS. TS as in TypeScript. So here we have the respective logos of Vite and React, and then again the same counter that we have over here. So if you keep on clicking this, it will keep on incrementing the value, and it suggests that you can edit the TSX and save to test HMR. Click on Vite and React logos to learn more. So this is the default application that gets created using Vite, and the template is React TypeScript. Now in the next one, we'll be looking at how we can work with AppWrite and how we can install and configure the web SDK that is provided by AppWrite.